is starting to perk. Okay, donut update.
Hello.
Oh, so this is spotted. Yeah.
Red Cloud.
Red Cloud.
And
We looked earlier, it was full of old guys.
Yeah.
Looked like locals drinking coffee.
oh, what are this is the Emporium Gifts. Oh, I see. Oh, there's a donut factory.
Got unloaded off the truck, right?
Okay.
Been there for years.
Okay.
Stuff like that.
Now, are the sculptures local?
Did you retire to the area then, or?
Okay.
Gas line deal, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Sure.
That's right.
I like them.
You
I
like
think
them?
they'll work. Kind of what we want.
That's one of the things.
Now, is there anything? Ah.
Grab your heat. It'll dry out,
Yeah.
it'll crack, it'll peel, and
Yeah.
it's not pretty.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, I am.
That's okay.
Yeah, because we don't have one.
I dodged that bullet.
Happiness. You got onion rings,
Yeah.
right? Oh, okay. Thank you.
I got it. Lead the way.